Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are diving into the top 5 Intel CPUs for 2024. Whether you are building a high-end gaming rig or a powerful workstation or an efficient desktop for everyday use, I got you covered. So let's jump in. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that bell button to get notified on my upcoming videos. So now let's begin. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Intel Core i5 13600K. This mid-range chip offers excellent performance for both gaming and productivity with 6 performance cores and 8 efficiency cores. It delivers a great balance of power and efficiency, and it's perfect for gamers and content creators who need reliable performance without breaking the bank. At number 4, we have the Intel Core i7 13700K. This CPU features 8 performance cores or P cores and 8 efficiency cores or E cores, providing significant boost in multi-threaded tasks. It's an excellent choice for gamers and who also need to handle heavy-duty workloads like video editing or 3D rendering. The i7 13700K offers superb performance at a reasonable price. At number 3, we have the Intel Core i9 13900K. With 8 performance cores and 16 efficiency cores, this CPU is designed for high-end gaming and professional workloads. It delivers exceptional single-threaded and multi-threaded performance, making it an ideal for gamers, streamers, and content creators who demand the best of the best. The second CPU in our list is the Intel Core i9 13900KS. This special edition CPU is a step above the 13900K, featuring higher clock speeds and enhanced performance. It's perfect for enthusiasts who want to push their systems to the limit, whether you are gaming at the highest setting or tackling complex simulation. The 13900KS delivers the top tier performance. And finally, taking the top spot on the list is the Intel Core i9 14900K. This flagship of a CPU is the ultimate choice for 2024. With 10 performance cores and 16 efficiency cores, it offers unmatched performance for any task. From ultra high-end, high-definition gaming to professional content creation, the 14900K handles it all with ease. Its advanced architecture and cutting-edge technology make it the best CPU on the market. Well, that's the end of this video. So I hope you enjoy and watch till the end. And don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that bell button to get notified on my upcoming video. And also comment down below which CPU caught your eye. So see you next time. Bye.